What separates the people who succeed from those who don't? Is it talent? Luck? Intelligence? No, it's something far more powerful. Work ethic. The ability to show up every single day, push through exhaustion, and outwork everyone else. Think about the greatest in any field. Michael Jordan, Elon Musk, Kobe Bryant. They weren't just skilled. They had an unstoppable drive that made them work harder than anyone else. But here's the real question. How do you develop that kind of relentless work ethic? By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to transform your mindset, eliminate distractions, and build a work ethic so strong that success becomes inevitable. The power of purpose. First, let's get one thing straight. Hard work without purpose is just burnout waiting to happen. People with an unstoppable work ethic don't just work hard for the sake of it. They have a clear reason behind their grind. Take Elon Musk, for example. He didn't build Tesla and SpaceX because he wanted a paycheck. He did it because he wanted to push humanity forward. His purpose was so strong that he worked 100-hour weeks while sleeping in his office. Find your why. Ask yourself, why am I working so hard? What am I trying to achieve? If your reason is powerful enough, your work ethic will follow. Second, motivation versus discipline. Motivation is like caffeine. It gives you a quick boost, but it wears off. Discipline is what keeps you going when motivation fades. Look at Kobe Bryant. He didn't wake up at 4 a.m. because he felt like it. He did it because it was part of his routine. He didn't negotiate with himself. Create non-negotiable habits. Instead of relying on motivation, set a schedule and stick to it. Train your brain to follow through, no matter how you feel. 3. Mastering time management. Most people say they don't have time, but the truth is, they waste it. Studies show the average person spends over 2 hours a day scrolling on their phone. That's 14 hours a week. Imagine if you use that time to build a skill, network, or improve yourself. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 50 minutes, take a 10-minute break, then repeat. Or follow the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of tasks that bring 80% of results. 4. Embracing pain and discomfort. Hard work isn't supposed to be easy. If it were, everyone would be great. The people with the best work ethic aren't the ones who avoid discomfort, they lean into it. David Goggins, a former Navy SEAL, ran a 100-mile race with broken feet. Why? Because he understood that pain is temporary, but quitting lasts forever. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Take cold showers, push past your limits in workouts, and do something difficult every single day. The more you train your mind to handle pain, the stronger your work ethic becomes. Eliminating distractions. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Social media, notifications, endless entertainment. The difference between high achievers and average people is their ability to focus. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett both agree. Focus is the #1 key to success. Without it, even the best work ethic gets wasted. Turn off notifications, use website blockers, and set focus hours where you work with 0 distractions. The fewer things competing for your attention, the more unstoppable your work ethic becomes. 6. Building mental toughness. Your body follows your mind. If you believe you can push further, you will. If you think you're tired, you'll stop. The strongest work ethic starts in your head. Muhammad Ali once said, "I only start counting my sit-ups when they start hurting." That's the mindset you need. Practice mental toughness exercises. When you feel like stopping, push for 1 more rep, 1 more minute, 1 more task. Train your brain to keep going. 7. Learning from failure. Most people quit after failure, but high achievers use it as fuel. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Imagine if he had stopped at failure number 9,999. Action step. Instead of seeing failure as defeat, see it as feedback. Every failure brings you one step closer to success. Analyze, adjust, and try again. Here's the truth. Work ethic isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. The people who succeed in life aren't always the smartest, the most talented, or the luckiest. They're the ones who refuse to stop. Now the question is, are you willing to outwork everyone else?